President Joe Biden's son, Hunter Biden, now faces criminal charges in Delaware after a 5-year investigation. According to court documents filed today, Hunter reached a plea agreement with federal prosecutors over misdemeanor charges of failing to pay his taxes. NBC's Alice Barr explains why Republicans in Washington say this is not enough.
Criminal charges for Hunter Biden. After a 5-year investigation, the Trump-appointed U.S. Attorney for Delaware has reached a plea deal with the president's son, in which he's expected to plead guilty to 2 federal misdemeanor counts of willfully failing to pay his taxes. He also faces a felony gun possession charge that's set to be dismissed if he meets certain conditions. The deal calls for no jail time, and Hunter Biden's lawyer told NBC News,
"My understanding is that we're done,"
suggesting prosecutors did not find cause to charge Hunter Biden in connection with foreign business dealings or any other wrongdoing, though the U.S. Attorney's Office has not confirmed that. Republicans quick to criticize, comparing the case to former President Trump's federal felony indictment.
If you are the president's leading political opponent, the DOJ tries to literally put you in jail and give you prison time. If you are the president's son, you get a sweetheart deal.
Mr. Trump slamming the deal as a mere traffic ticket, calling the system broken. But legal analysts point to signs of political independence.
The U.S. Attorney for the District of Delaware is a Trump appointee holdover who exercised his own prosecutorial choices, exercised his own discretion.
It comes as a federal judge in Florida set an August 14th trial date, though that's likely to change, for the case involving former President Trump's handling of classified documents and alleged obstruction. In an interview with Fox News, the former president offering this explanation for not handing over the documents.
Before I send boxes over, I have to take all of my things out. These boxes were interspersed with all sorts of things.
Though that defied the government's repeated efforts, including a subpoena, to get them back. Going back to Hunter Biden, his lawyer said his client believes it's important to take responsibility for these mistakes he made during a period of turmoil and addiction in his life. The White House says the First Lady and President Biden love their son and support him as he continues to rebuild his life. In Washington, Alice Barr, 10 News, working for you.